Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix battery overheads when playing games on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. When you are playing game but you are disturbed because the device battery heats up quickly, and then you can take the following steps. First of all, please enter the settings menu and then you can select the display and brightness menu. Here you can scroll down and select the screen refresh rate and set it at 60 Hz. Step 2. Please activate the developer option. To do this, go to the My Phone menu and then here you can find the build number and tap it 7 times. If you activate the security feature, you will be asked to enter your device security code. After that, you can go back and scroll down and then select the system menu. After that, here you can select the developer option and scroll down until you find 3 scales like this. And then here you can set all these options to be turned off like this. After doing these steps, and then your battery device doesn't heat up easily when used. Well, that's the tutorial on how to overcome a fast hot battery when playing games on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.